In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airbnb account in 2026, step by step. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Either option works, so just use whichever one is more convenient for you. Once the home screen loads, look for the sign up button and click or tap on it to begin creating your account. Airbnb will then ask how you want to sign up. You may see options like using your email address, phone number, Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook, depending on your device and region. Choose the method that makes the most sense for you. If you want a straightforward setup, email is usually the easiest option, while Google or Apple can speed things up if you already use those accounts regularly. Next, enter your personal information. This typically includes your full name, your date of birth, and either your email address or phone number, depending on the sign-up method you selected. Make sure everything is entered accurately since this information can be important later for account security, booking confirmations, and identity checks. If you're signing up with email, you'll also need to create a strong password. Try to use a password that's difficult to guess, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps protect your account and keeps your travel details more secure. After that, Airbnb will send a verification code to your email address or phone number. Open your inbox or text messages, find the code, and enter it when prompted. This step confirms that you have access to the contact method you used during sign-up. Once your information is verified, take a moment to review Airbnb's terms of service and privacy policy. If you're comfortable with them, accept the terms to continue. This is a standard step, but it's still a good idea to know what you're agreeing to, especially when using a platform for travel and bookings. You can then complete your profile by adding a profile photo and any extra information you'd like to share. A complete profile can help build trust on the platform, especially when communicating with hosts or booking stays. In some cases, Airbnb may also ask you to verify your identity. If that appears, follow the instructions provided. Identity verification can help unlock certain features and may be required for some bookings in the future. Once that's done, your account is ready to use. You can start searching for stays or experiences right away using your new Airbnb account.